Problem 45. Find the derivative of cosine x over arcsine x. Since these two functions are being divided, we're going to use the quotient rule. So identify the pieces of the quotient rule first. U is cosine x. So its derivative, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. V, the denominator, is arcsine x. And so its derivative, v prime, is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. Now we'll plug these into the quotient rule, and to remind you what that is, this is v times u prime minus u times v prime, all divided by v squared. So now we're going to take the quantities that we know and plug them into the formula. So we've got v times u prime, and this is arcsine x times negative sine x, minus u times v prime, which is cosine x, times 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And this is all being divided by v squared, which is arcsine x squared. Now on here we have a fraction within a fraction, so to simplify this, let's multiply everything by the common denominator. We're going to multiply by the square root of 1 minus x squared in both the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator, when we multiply this through, this square root of 1 minus x squared will distribute to the first term, leaving us negative square root of 1 minus x squared times arcsine x times sine x. When we distribute to the second term, the square root of 1 minus x squared in the denominator will cancel with the square root of 1 minus x squared in the numerator, leaving us with negative cosine x. And in the denominator, there's nothing to cancel, so we're just left with the square root of 1 minus x squared times arcsine x squared. And that's our derivative using the quotient rule.